Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to remove WhatsApp button from your Facebook page. Removing WhatsApp button from Facebook page is really very easy process and just follow me to do it. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, go to your Facebook and make sure to switch to your Facebook page. Now tap on this hamburger menu and tap on your page name, and now tap on this three dot next to edit. Here tap on edit action button, tap on edit buttons, and here you will see send WhatsApp message button. Now all you have to need, just uncheck this WhatsApp button from here and tap on save, and the WhatsApp button will be removed. Or you can tap on this remove button from WhatsApp button, and the WhatsApp button will be removed from your Facebook page. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.